Python programming language. Encapsulation. Learn how encapsulation secures and organizes your Python code effectively. Encapsulation in Python involves bundling data with methods to restrict access to certain components. This helps in maintaining an organized code structure. In Python, underscores used to define private attributes, while public attributes can be accessed directly. Private attributes require controlled access to ensure data integrity. Getter and setter methods used to control access to private attributes. Getters retrieve values, while setters allow for modification, ensuring controlled interaction with data. Encapsulation enhances modularity and maintainability of code. It also increases security by restricting unauthorized access to certain components. Encapsulation is implemented in Python using classes and access modifiers. These tools help manage visibility and support the principles of encapsulation effectively. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.